These cute little strawberry-like flowers belong to Potentilla Ron McBeath. This is Potentilla nepalensis Ron McBeath, to give it its full name. And as you can see, colourful flowers, not particularly large, but a nice rose pink on quite tall, relatively wiry stems. And the plant has got strawberry-like foliage because it is a member of the same family that strawberries come from, which is also the rose family, Rosaceae. So this is a hardy perennial, and it flowers in mid to late summer. Now is the beginning of August, and this plant has been in flower for a couple of weeks and still got several more weeks of buds. Easy growing plant. This is a cottage garden style plant. Height about 30 centimeters, about 1 foot tall, with a similar spread. It's got quite dainty flowers. And it's suitable for mixed borders. And you could even grow it in containers. I've got this particular plant growing in a pot, which is why its leaves have gone a little bit brown-red in coloration. The plant was a little bit pot bound, and I've recently repotted it, and as you can see, since I've repotted it, it's started to put on some fresh green leaves. If after flowering you chop all of the leaves off, you'll get a fresh growth, and you'll get a nice mound of green leaves in the late summer, which the plant will overwinter with. Does well on relatively poor soils. Can be grown in dry soils. It's got a relative degree of drought tolerance, and it makes a nice contribution to things like gravel gardens. It also looks good when it's planted with grasses and other more refined perennials and mixed borders. Propagation is by division. It doesn't come true from seed, but can be divided in the spring or in the autumn.